All right, guys, we are out here on the west side of Indianapolis, just right off US 136, not too far from I-465. We're out here at one of my listings. It is a condo. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2016 square feet. You got 1,600 square feet under air. What is great about this property, it's really located. It's only less than 9 miles to downtown, 3 miles over to Eagle Creek. You're within 4 miles of Speedway, Indiana, 2 miles to 465, so you can jump on there and be anywhere around the Greater Indianapolis Metropolitan Area. So I'm going to go ahead and take you inside here real quick. The great thing about this property is it has brand new flooring. Had to put on my booties real quick because this is brand new flooring. We got an open concept. We have your living room, dining combo, eating kitchen, appliances stay. You could put yourself a little two-top right here. So you have an eat-in kitchen as well. We have 2 bedrooms up, 1 bedroom down. This bedroom right here has a huge walk-in closet. Take you downstairs real quick. Guys, this is only just minutes from Rick's Boatyard, where it's a great place on Eagle Creek to go sit outside and eat. If you're a West Sider, you know about Eagle Creek and Rick's Boatyard. So here's another bedroom right here. So the cool thing about this is you could take this and turn it into a large master suite. You'd have your washer and dryer right here and a stand-up shower, full bath. And your 2-car garage is right there. Now it has some stuff in it, so you've seen the 2-car garage. I'm not going to open it up. Guys, this property right now is currently listed at $191,000. Now there is an HOA. They take care of everything as far as the grounds go. They take care of the exterior maintenance of the property. So it includes the roofs, exterior siding, trim, deck, all that stuff. Let me see here. So the HOA is $213 a month. So you got to figure that into your payment, right? So seriously, guys, where are you going to find a property, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath for under $200,000? Great condition, new flooring, appliances stay. Where are you going to find that? In the Wayne Township area. So Greater Indianapolis Metropolitan Area out in Wayne Township, which is Ben Davis School Systems, not too far from Brownsburg, Eagle Creek, downtown Indianapolis, Speedway, Indiana, 465, jump around. You could work up on the north side, live on the west side. So if you're interested in getting more information about this property, feel free to reach out to me. All my contacts, you're going to be able to find that information. Send me a text, give me a call. Be glad to help you out. If you're interested in any other properties in the Greater Indianapolis area, guys, reach out to me. My name is Devin Hunter. I'm a realtor in the Greater Indianapolis Metropolitan Area. Be glad to help you out. Find that next property or sell your property, possibly moving to another one here in the area or out of state. Feel free to reach out to me. And also, if you're interested in investing, I can help you as well. So feel free to reach out to me. That's what happens when you get a little older. Sometimes you get tongue-tied, right? So reach out to me. Be glad to talk to you. Have a great day.